How to edit opening soon text banner in Shopify password page. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can access your password page into your Shopify store, how you can enable it and also disable that page into your store with just a few, let's say here, procedure. So we are going to head over shopify.com, sign in for an account, and then we are going basically to see the content or the admin dashboard popping up right there. Now, what are we going to do is to head over here, and basically we are going to head over the online store. Click on the online store, make sure that you're going to select themes, and from here you are going to see all the themes of yours. Now we are going to start by clicking on customize. So we are going to head over the page of the password or page password, and then we can go ahead and modify it. Now, how we can access this password page? We're going to see here or tap at the header, as you can see here, of the specific editor. We have this globe and also we have this home page. You're going to click on the home page and now you're going to have this menu. From this menu, we're going to head over password. We are going to click on it and it will open up the password page. Now, this is the opening soon, as you can see, text banner. So we are going to click on it and then you're going to modify it as much as you want. For example, I'm going to head over here and type in coming, for example, soon in the place of the here opening soon. You can go ahead and head over here and see that we have the thing added in here. So this is the text banner. You can go ahead and add, for example, other sections like here adding a image banner or something like that. Or you can go ahead and have, for example, the email sign up banner removed from here or added into a specific or normal banner instead. So that is going to be pretty much it for this password protection for this password. As you can see, text banner. Do not forget to click on save when you finish, and then you're going to exit the editor. Now, how we can show up the password page or not. So we are going to head over here at the online store again under the sales channels, and then we're going to click on preferences. And after we have set up the preferences, if you want to show up the password protection page, you're going to click on restrict access to visitors with the password. So it will show you the password page. And if you're going to untick that, you're going to see the website as it is. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and I hope to see you soon on the next one.